Hey, how you doing, folks? I just got like a new Tabasco, and I ordered the biggest Tabasco in the world. So here's also Sriracha from Tabasco. I like because it doesn't have any preservatives, and it tastes quite good. So I bought 4 of them, and I think I made a mistake. I bought like a really big one. I think it's too big, but it's so much cheaper than if you buy an individual small bottles, you know. So let's see. I wanted to document this while I open it. Okay. Let's see what's inside. Oh, it's nicely packaged. How do you open it? Oh. it has like a styrofoam lid, man. Are you freaking kidding me? Oh my god, this is big. Oh yeah. Damn. Whoa, this is big. I mean, it came in a huge box. Look at that, man. You can use this for a toilet. If you have like if you don't have a toilet, you can use this as a toilet. Damn, this is huge. But there's no thank you note or something like that. So, how could they do this? No thank you note. Look at that, man. Holy guacamole. Original, gold standard, mother of all hot sauces. Nothing else even comes close. Come on, let's do a comparison. It's like as big as my head. Holy guacamole. Great on everything from eggs to seafood to pizza, and go ahead, splash it on whatever you like. I think I made a huge mistake, huh? But it's so much cheaper. I mean, you can, this is like 3.8 gallons or 1 gallon, so 3.8 liters. Yeah, 3.8 liters, 1 gallon. Damn. There's a seal on top, so you see it's not open. Wow, if this shatters, man, you're like in trouble, because the sauce will go everywhere. I think I will just keep it in this enclosure. Holy guacamole. It's heavy too. I mean, Tabasco is the best because it's natural, it doesn't have sugar. I mean, this Sriracha has sugar, but low amount. It's still much healthier than other that has like monosodium glutamate inside and other preservatives. So that's why I buy Tabasco. But original Tabasco sauce is so much different than Sriracha. It's like completely different thing. This is so salty. This is like very mild, but this is good too. Like on everything you can put it. So goodbye and see you in another video.